In this video I will review the Hume Band 2 and compare its performance against standard fitness trackers to see if it truly redefines home health monitoring. When you look at the Hume Band 2 side by side with a traditional wearable, the biggest contrast is the depth of data. While most bands stop at heart rate and steps, the Hume Band 2 focuses on body composition, offering a massive list of 45 different metrics. This includes specialized segmental scans that track fat and muscle percentages for each individual arm and leg. This allows you to catch limb asymmetries that a standard scale or watch would completely miss. The standout feature here is the integration with the Hume Health ecosystem, which targets users who need more than just a step count. In a head-to-head comparison with basic trackers, the Hume Band 2 wins for those undergoing significant transformations, such as GLP-1 weight loss journeys. Internal analysis of nearly 7,000 members shows a focus on lean mass preservation, helping users ensure they aren't losing vital muscle along with fat. The trade-off for this advanced sensing technology is usually durability concerns. But Hume counters this with an impressive 10-year warranty that covers all hardware and sensors. They even offer on-request servicing to handle any accuracy drift over that decade, ensuring the device performs like new for the long haul. With free shipping and a free app included, it is a comprehensive system for anyone serious about metabolic age and visceral fat tracking. What do you think about tracking 45 different health metrics every day? Let me know in the comments if you prefer simplicity or deep data. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth health tech reviews.